So hello and welcome students to this amazing video of the digital electronics. This is going to be the 19th video of the playlist digital electronics, and if you are following this playlist then you know what we have been discussing till now. And if you are new to this playlist, I'll inform you that what we are going to discuss. We are going to discuss hexadecimal subtraction, and that using 15's complement method. If you are finding any difficulties in hexadecimal subtraction using conventional method, although we have discussed that in a very simplest manner in the previous video, that you can check it out over here, then this 15's complement method and 16 complement method is going to make your work very easy. What is this method? Let's start this video without wasting any time. Okay students, so first of all we are going to discuss how to do hexadecimal subtraction using 15's complement method. Let's say you are having two number a minus b. Okay, then as the first step you need to find 15's complement of the minus number of the negative number, and here that is going to be b. Okay. And in the second step, what you need to do, you need to add a and 15's complement of b. Okay, so it is going to produce some result. Okay, but in this result we have two cases. If there is carry, okay, if there is carry generated at the end of the addition of the last bit, then this answer is going to be positive answer. Okay, and in this case what you need to do, you need to add the carry. Okay, you need to add the carry to the result, that means this one. Result means this one. Okay, in this result only you are going to add the carry. Now in the second case, if there is no carry, okay, if there is no carry, that means the answer that you are having is negative answer, and in this case we will find 15's complement of the result, and I hope when I'm saying result you understand this result. Okay, that means a plus 15's complement. Okay, so this is the process, this is the steps that you need to follow. So here in the first step, if you can see, we need to find the 15's complement of the number b. So we need to understand that how to find the 15's complement, and that is also very easy. Let's say you are having any number, I'm taking any number randomly, that is going to be, let's say, a, b, c, d. Okay, now this is the number, and for this number we need to find 15's complement. So this number, each digit is going to be subtracted from the 15. Each digit is going to be subtracted from the 15, and the answer is going to be the 15's complement of this number. So 15 minus d, now d is 13, so 15 minus d is going to be 2, right? 15's minus c, that is going to be 3. 15 minus b is going to be 4, and 15 minus a is going to be 5. So this is basically the 15's complement, okay, of this number, okay, ABCD. Okay, this number ABCD. Fine. So this is how you are going to find 15's complement of any number. Okay, now let's directly jump back to the examples, because this is what is going to be very helpful for you in the exams. Okay, so the first example we are taking very easy example. We have two numbers here. Our second number 972 is the negative number. So as a first step we are going to find 15's complement of 972. So for that, each digit we are going to subtract from the 15. Okay, so 972, all the digits will be subtracted from the 15. So 15 minus 2 is going to be 13, and 13 can be written as d. Okay, so the answer will be d. 15 minus 7 is 8, and 15 minus 9 is going to be 6. So 6, 8, d is basically the 15's complement of 972. Now this 15's complement will be added to the first number, that is CB2. So we are going to add this number 6, 8, d. Okay, so d plus 2. So d is 13 plus 2 is going to be 15, and 15 is going to be f. Okay, now b plus 8. What is b plus 8? B is going to be 11, and 11 plus 8 is going to be how much? It is going to be 19. Okay, now this is 19 in the hexadecimal, so we are going to subtract it from the 16, so that will be 3. Okay, so 3 will be here, and 1 will be as a carry. Now if you don't know how we have done this, so this we have covered in the hexadecimal addition video. That video you can check it out here. So this addition also we have understood in a very simplest manner. So from that only we are doing these steps. So if you are not following this addition, I highly recommend you to watch that video and then come back to this video. Now again, if you check it out, the addition that we need to do over here, c plus 1 is going to be d. Okay, and d is going to be 13, and 13 plus 6 is going to be how much? Here we have done, it is going to be 19. So 19 can be written as 3, and there is one carry. Okay, there is one carry. Now here if you check out, we have the carry, that means our answer is going to be how much? Our answer is going to be positive answer, and hence we need to add the carry in the answer. Now if you do f plus 1 is going to be 16. Okay, f plus 1 is going to be 16 and that can be written as 10. So our answer over here is 0 and 1 will be here. So it is going to be 3 plus 1, that is going to be 4, and here there is 3. So this is our answer, 340. Okay, this is our answer. So this example we have taken in the previous videos also. So from that you can compare the answers and you can understand that how the conventional method is different from this method. Okay, now let's jump back to the second example. So here if you check out, this number is our negative number, so we will find the 15's complement of 854. Okay, so that is going to be 15 minus 854. Okay, 15 minus 4 is going to be 11 and 11 is basically B. Okay, 15 minus 5 is 10 and 10 is A. 15 minus 8 is simply 7. So our answer is 7AB. That is what we are going to add with 3B7. So as the second step, we will add this two number 3B7 plus the 15's complement of the 854. So that is 7AB. Okay, now B is 11 and 11 plus 7 is going to be how much? 8 is 18. And from that if we subtract the 16, that is going to be 2. So our answer will be 2 and 1 carry will be here. Okay, so now if we check out, we have A plus 1 is B. So B plus B, that means 11 plus 11. So that is going to be 22. So from 22 if we subtract 16, so that will be 6. So here 6 will be answer and 1 carry will be generated. So 7 plus 3 is how much? It is going to be 10 and 10 plus 1 is going to be 11 and 11 can be written as how much? 11 can be written as B. Okay, so now if you check out, here we do not have the carry, that means our answer is negative answer, and in this case we need to find the 15's complement of this result. So if you find the 15's complement of the result, so from the 15 we are going to subtract this number. Okay, so that is going to be 15 minus 2, that is going to be how much? It is going to be 13 and that means it is D. 15 minus 6 if we do, that is going to be 9, and 15 minus B if we do, that means it is going to be 4. Okay, so 49D is the answer, but you need to remember that it is going to be the negative answer. Okay, that is what you need to understand, because here we do not have any carry. So okay students, let's take the last and very complex example. Here we are going to take the rational numbers. So if you check out this number, this is our negative number. So for this number we need to find the 15's complement. This is 6-digit number, and here if you check out, we have 7-digit number. Okay, so basically we are going to consider this number as a 7-digit number only. So I will write this number as 08D9.E8B. And for this number we are going to find 15's complement. So I will write 15 in each digit, right? For each digit I am writing 15, and we need to do this subtraction, and that is how we are going to get the 15's complement. So 15 minus B, that means 15 minus 11, so answer will be 4. 15 minus 8, that means answer is 7. 15 minus E, that means answer is 1. 15 minus 9, that means answer is 6. 15 minus D, that means answer is 2. 15 minus 8, that means answer is 7, and 15 minus 0, that means answer is F. Okay, 15 minus 0 is 15, so it is going to be F. So this is our 15's complement of basically the number 08D9.E8B. Now this number we are going to add with the first number. Okay, so the first number is 2A7D.30D, and our 15's complement is F726.174. Okay, so this addition we need to perform. So D is going to be how much? D is basically 13. 13 plus 4 if you do, it is going to be how much? 17. So it is basically 11 in the hexadecimal. So our answer will be 1 over here and 1 as a carry. So 7 plus 0 plus 1, it is going to be 8. 3 plus 1, it is going to be 4. Now D plus 6, again D is 13 plus 6 if we do, it is going to be 19. So it is going to be 13 in the hexadecimal. Okay, so our answer will be 3 over here and 1 as a carry. 7 plus 1 is going to be 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. So answer will be A, that is basically 10. And A, that is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So 17 again, the just we have done, it is going to be 11. So 1 over here and 1 will be carry. Now F is 15 plus 2 is going to be 17 and plus 1 it is going to be 18. So 18 is going to be how much? It is going to be 12 in the hexadecimal. So our answer over here will be 2 and 1 will be the carry. Now this 1 represents that the answer is going to be the positive answer, and if the answer is positive, what we are going to do, we will add the carry. We will add the carry, and our answer will be 284.3A12. okay, so I'll write the full answer over here. It is going to be 21A3.482. so this is our answer of the hexadecimal subtraction using 15's complement method. Students, if you find that the method that we are using in this example is quite complex, then what you can do is you can use the conventional method also, and that we have taken in the previous video. And to the previous video, 2 videos back to this video, we have done the hexadecimal addition, and in the hexadecimal addition we have discussed very thoroughly how to do the hexadecimal addition. In this video, we have done hexadecimal addition at so many places, and we have done in a very quick manner to shorten the timeline of this video. So you might not be able to catch up with the addition if you are watching this video directly, right? So my request to you is to watch the hexadecimal addition video and then come back to this video, because everything is connected in digital electronics. Okay, everything is connected in digital electronics, and that is why the sequence is very important. I'm going to pin the playlist of the digital electronics over here, so you guys can go through the sequence. You guys can go through all the videos, and I request you to follow the sequence only, and from that only you will be able to understand all the things. And finally, my last request to all the students and to all the viewers is to subscribe this channel, because your subscription and your viewership is definitely helping me, motivating me a lot to get this content in a very organic manner and in a very pure manner to you. And also you can explore some more videos and playlist over here. You can also follow me on the social media handles. There also I'm putting very interesting content about the engineering, so that also you can check out. And with that, I'm signing off. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Thank you very much, all the students.